Hello, this is Jackie Evich, and I'm coming to you from Waxahachie, Texas, to bring you information concerning 100% commissions. Yes, this is my Facebook page, this is my family. You guys connect with me on Facebook if we're not friends already. Be sure and shoot me a friend request. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any of my amazing videos. Okay, let's jump right into it. We're talking today about how you can earn 100% commissions with this digital business that I have found. It's actually been amazing. The wonderful I think one of the main things about it is that you don't have to wait for payments. You are paid instantly. We are earning 100% commissions. How to earn 100% commissions in this digital business. So here we are in my back office. Let's see if it's still logged in. Okay, I thought it probably logged out. So let's chat again here. The program is $25 one up. $25 one up is not a scam. $25 one up is an amazing digital marketing newbie friendly program that you can jump right into and start earning commissions. 100% commissions can be yours. And the products, let's go to the products. On the gold level, which is a $25 level, I'm going to show you exactly what you get. You're going to get pre-written ads. So guys, all we're doing is we're taking a pre-written ad and we're copying it and we're pasting it on social media. That's all we're doing. And you put your own twist to it, add a picture, and bam, when people respond, you send them your marketing link. Um, for the gold level, you also get the ad copy cheat sheet for Facebook. You also get Facebook groups cheat sheet video. Look at this. You get 50 ways or ideas to promote any business. That's any business that you can get into, any business. 50 different ways to promote. Now, how exciting is that? Here you also get $25 one-up business mindset training. And we all know that it is all about the mindset. You have to have the proper mindset to be able to earn money online. You have to know that you can do it. You have to believe in yourself. No matter what it really looks like, know that you can do it. This is so amazing. This is so easy. More mindset motivation. This is all on the gold level, which is the $25 level. Okay, let's go to the platinum level. On the platinum level, give it time to come up, you're going to get Facebook training. You're going to be instructed how to set up your Facebook to make sure that you have an open profile, to make sure that your Facebook is set up to where it's attractive, to where people will want to join you. You're going to get YouTube training. You're going to be trained how to make YouTube videos like the one you're watching right now that's getting your attention. You're going to also be trained. You also get the Instagram training. If you have an Instagram account, you get training on how to get massive results from that. So those are three main things. And look, guys, all of these things right here, these are free. This is a way you can get free traffic to your $25 website, get free traffic, free eyes on your website, which earns you 100% commissions. Okay, when people join you. Oh my goodness, it is so amazing. So let's go in here. Let me show you. Let's go here. You can also, these are your contacts. I also have whenever people respond to you, if you don't have an autoresponder, your back office has a built-in autoresponder and will send out messages for you. And you can also do a broadcast. Like here, you click here, you can do a broadcast. And we also have the pre-written emails. Okay, see, I've already sent a broadcast out today. So I've already emailed my list. I've already emailed the people who have said they wanted to get started and maybe they didn't. So that's the main thing, guys, is that, you know, click the link. You know, the only way you're going to earn these 100% commissions is that you have to get started. You have to get started. And I have a great special for you. If you come in on the $25 level and the $100 level, which is the platinum level, the two levels I just showed you, if you come in on both those levels, you will also get my bonus training on how and what to say to prospects when they ask for information. You want to have the right language to talk back to them and give them what they need, so that they know that you're not as that so that they know that you know what you're talking about, that this business does work. You're also going to get Instagram training. You're also going to get detailed Facebook training. You're going to get detailed YouTube training. You're going to get all that. You're going to also, as a special bonus, you're going to get Craigslist training, how to post on Craigslist, how to get free traffic to your website, guys. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Getting eyes on your website so that people can see exactly what this business can do and how it can change your life. I've struggled online, and immediate like when you get your breakthrough, it's amazing because you don't have to worry about these other companies that have, you don't get 100% commissions. You may get 50, or you may get 20, or you may have to build a massive team before you see money. Guys, this program is 100% commissions, and you get instant pay when you post your ad and someone joins you, and they pay you instantly. So it's instant money into your PayPal account, instant money into your Stripe account, instant money however you want to get paid. There's different ways you can set up to get paid. MoneyGram, money order, PayPal. I mean, I just use PayPal. I use Stripe, because it's so convenient. It's instant. Guys, without further ado, click the link, go to my website so you can see exactly what's going on. Get on my list so you can get the emails of all of the updates. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell so that you get notifications on all of my amazing websites that are going to be coming forth. Guys, this is an amazing program. 100% commissions. Wow, they're headed your way. All you have to do is just take action. This is Jackie Evage, and I will talk to you on the next video.